Yeah, welcome everybody to my video. Well, it was really nice out today. Like not two below, two above here in Canada. But anyways, it was really nice out. So all my lights outside for Christmas, it was nice out. I went out there, took all the lights down, and started packing them all up. I'm showing this one here. It's pretty cool. This was the last purchase I got from Walmart for this kind of a light for Christmas. It's pretty cool. But anyways, I lost about 2 lights out of the Christmas deal. One projector and another projector for Halloween, the ghost globe. It's stopped turning, just like this. Same same company that produced this one, but the ghost one didn't. The lights still work, but it's not moving like it's supposed to be moving like this. This is a crystal kind of way, but anyways, I'm putting all the lights away. But anyways, so I hope everybody had a great season on showing off your lights. Next year I'll add some more new stuff to it. I'm gonna combine more lights for every year. But anyways, have a good 2019, and we'll see you guys next year on my next show of my lights. All right, ciao.